Hi kids, how are you all? I hope you all must be fine, right? So today we are going to read for class 1 Science Olympiad. And in class 1 Science Olympiad, which portion we are going to discuss? We are going to discuss the previous year questions of SOF and SO level 1 exam. Okay, so in our previous session, we have already discussed some questions, and in our today's session, we are going to discuss some more questions. Okay, so are you all ready for it? Yes, so let's get started. Our first question, Susant has made the following table about characteristics of living and non-living things, but he made a mistake. Identify the mistake and select the correct option. So the characteristics living things and non-living things for PQRS are breathe, yes, no, feel, yes, no, reproduce, no, yes, grow, yes, no. And the options are A, B, B, Q, C, R, D, S. Okay. So characteristic breathe. Do living things breathe? Yes. Do non-living things breathe? No. So this one is correct. Do living things feel? Yes. Do non-living things feel? No. So this one is also correct. Reproduce. Reproduce means to give birth to the young ones. Okay. So do living things reproduce? Yes, they reproduce. So this one is incorrect. Do non-living things reproduce? No, they do not. So this one is also incorrect. Grow. Do living things grow? Yes. Do non-living things grow? No. So this one is also correct. So which one is incorrect? That is R. And where it is present? It is present in option C. So option C is the correct answer. Coming to the next question, we eat different parts of different plants. Study the given classification chart and select the correct option to fill empty spaces D and E. Okay. Edible parts of plant, stem potato, root D, leaf spinach, flower E, fruit apple. So options are A, D carrot, E broccoli, B, D radish, E cabbage, C, D carrot, E onion, D ginger, E cauliflower. So here for root, that is D, it could be carrot, then flower, that is E, it could be broccoli. Okay, so here the correct answer is option A, D carrot and E broccoli. Got it? Coming to the next question, which of the following statements is correct? So, all living things are natural. Option B, all non-living things are man-made. C, all living things can move from one place to another. D, all non-living things can grow and increase in size. So, all living things are natural. Yes, this one is correct. Okay. Then, all non-living things are man-made. So, this one is wrong. All living things can move from one place to another. No. All non-living things can grow and increase in size. No. So the correct answer is option A. Coming to the next question, Ravi saw a plant in his garden which had beautiful flowers. When he tried to pluck a flower, his finger got pricked. The plant could be, options are A. Dahlia, B. Jasmine, C. Rose, D. Marigold. Okay, so what could be the plant? Do you know? If you know the answer, you can write in the comment section. Okay, so it could be rose because the rose plant it has that type of structure, spine-like structure that our finger can be pricked. Okay, so correct answer is option C. Coming to the next question, read the given sentence. Aditya wore a sweater when he felt cold. This sentence indicates that living things, options are A. Grow and die, B. Reproduce, C. Can feel, D. Need air, food and water. So Aditya wore a sweater when he felt cold. That means Aditya, which is a living thing, can feel cold. Feel cold means he can feel, right? So correct answer is option C, can feel. Coming to the next question, which of the following is both plant and animal eater? Options are, four options are there. The first one, that could be a deer, which is only plant eater. Then tiger, it is only animal eater. Bear, option C, that is both plant and animal eater. D. Snake. It is only animal eater. Okay. So correct answer is option C. That is bear. Coming to the next question. Which of the following flowers is the part of a plant that bears floating leaf? And four options are there, right? First one is rose, second one lotus, C that is the sunflower, and D that is the marigold. So can you tell me which flower plant bears a floating leaf? Yes, that is lotus, right? So correct answer is option B, that is lotus. Coming to the next question, select the correct match. Animal, young one. Okay, elephant cub. Option B, lion calf. C, dog chick. D, horse foal. Okay, so here the correct match, that is horse foal. So correct answer is option D. Coming to the next question, Sia paired one living thing and one non-living thing together, but in doing so she made an incorrect pair. Select the incorrect pair. Options are A, bird mountain, B, fish clock, C, rose plant cycle, D, river book. So we have to find out the option where one living thing and one non-living thing is not there. Okay, so can you tell me the answer? If you know the answer, you can write in the comment section. Okay, so here river is a non-living thing and also book is a non-living thing, right? So correct answer is option D. Coming to the next question, which of the following rooms is used for cooking food? So four options are there. The first one, it is the bedroom. Second one, option B, that is the bathroom. Option C, that is the kitchen. Option D, it is the living room, right? So in which room we cook food? Yes, it is kitchen. So correct answer is option C. Coming to the next question, I live in a state. Who am I? Four options are there. Okay. So here option A, horse. B, that is dog. C, cow, buffalo. This, and D, that is cock. So who live in state? Yes, it is the option C. Coming to the next question, all the given animals build a home to live in except options are A, spider, B, C, monkey, D, bird. So which of the following animal do not build a home? Yes, that is the monkey, right? Monkey do not build a home. It just jump from one tree to another tree, right? Have you ever seen the monkey doing these things? Yes. Okay, so here correct answer is option C. Coming to the next question, read the given passage. You can get an electric dash if you touch plug point with wet hands. Do not play with knives and blades. You can get a dash. Select the correct option to complete the passage. Options are A, suck, cut, B, burn, fracture, C, bite, burn, D, shock, bite. So you can get an electric so, if you touch a plug point with wet hands, okay, that's why we should never touch plug point in wet hand, right? Then do not play with knives and blades, you can get a cut, right? So, we should avoid using these things. Got it? So, correct answer is option A. Coming to the next question, refer to the given picture of Aman. Okay, Aman should go to the options are A, bank, B, post office, C, hospital, D, library. So you can see Aman has fell from the bicycle and he is injured, right? So if someone is injured, where should he go? He should go to, yes, that is the hospital. So correct answer is option C, that is the hospital. Okay. Coming to the next question, who among the following children are likely to get hurt? Sina is playing around the swimming pool. Samir is walking on the footpath. Amira is putting her hands out of the window of a moving car. Options are A. Sina only, B. Samir only, C. Amira only, D. Sina and Amira only. So Sina is playing around the swimming pool. So we should not do that, okay? Because someone can get hurt. Samir is walking on the footpath, so he is safe. Amira is putting her hands out of the window of a moving car, so we should not do that, right? So if she is not safe, so he can get hurt, right? So correct answer is option D, Sina and Amira. Got it, everyone? So this much for today's session. Let meet you in the next session. Till then, read mindfully, practice all the questions properly. Okay? So meet you soon. Bye bye, everyone.